Hey everyone, today I'm going to be continuing to deep clean and organize my kitchen. Last week I deep cleaned and organized my fridge, so if you missed that video, I'll have it linked down below. This video is part 2 in my spring cleaning series. Before we get started, I wanted to let you guys know that Mrs. Meyer's spring scents are out and I am so excited. I got mine in the sweet mint scent and it smells really good and really fresh. I also wanted to let you guys know that I now get all of my non-toxic cleaning supplies through Grove Collaborative, and they send my products to my door every month. This month they are doing something special and giving a free Mrs. Meyer's set of hand soap, all-purpose spray, and dish soap in whatever spring scent you want, as well as a lovely Grove dishcloth to new members who sign up. I have a link down below in the description, so go claim your amazing free set. For existing members, you can still get a free 2-pack of the walnut scrubber sponges by using the same link down below. I didn't use my new all-purpose spray in this video because I shot this video before my set arrived, but I definitely will be using it for all the things now that I have it. The first thing that I am tackling is this cupboard that has all of my storage, food storage, Tupperware containers, things like that. It has been trashed for a long time and I'm sick and tired of digging through things trying to find it. So I am so excited to get this done. I'm starting by taking everything out. I got these little white bins from IKEA. They come in different sizes. I have a couple more that I use in my bathroom under the sinks, and they're perfect to store my lids, my storage lid, because those are the things that easily get kind of mixed around in the cupboard. So now I have a place for everything and everything in its place, and that makes me feel so good. Next, I'm going through and wiping down all of my cabinets and their handles. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I've ever done this since I've moved in. The cupboards themselves weren't that bad except for right above the microwave. Up here it gets pretty greasy from cooking, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of scrubbing there. But other than that, nothing really was too dirty except for the handles. The handles did have some stickiness and just general gunk, so they needed to be wiped down. Now I am moving on to the major appliances in the kitchen. I am using the Wyman's stainless steel spray for the stainless steel portion, Method glass cleaner for the glass portion, and on the inside of the microwave I'm using the Thieves household cleaner. It is one of my favorite cleaners. I use it on pretty much everything. I have a link in the description box if you want to get it yourself. It's non-toxic and it goes a really long way because it's concentrated and you dilute it. I don't know about you, but the microwave in our house stays super clean because I clean it all the time. It's one of those places that I hate to have messy, so I clean it all the time. Next, I'm moving on to the stove, and I'm again using the Wyman stainless steel cleaner. And I did not know this, but you can pop off these little knobs to turn on the burners, and there's a lot of food and junk under there, so I highly recommend you try that if you didn't know that they popped off. Where have I been all my life? If you guys are wondering where I get my microfiber cloths from, I got a big pack from Walmart. So you'll see some green, orange, and yellow ones. Those are, I think, a 12-pack from Walmart. And then I have some really pretty teal colored ones. I have quite a few of those as well, and I got those from Grove Collaborative. I'm gonna be honest, the Walmart ones are not the best quality, but they get the job done. And then I like to use the Grove Collaborative ones, which are of a much nicer quality for things like glass or just more delicate projects that I want things to look really nice. And here you see me using that Grove Collaborative cloth. I'm telling you, they're so soft and just, you can tell they're good quality. Again, I am using the Method glass cleaner to clean the glass on the oven. I also would like to say that I switch out my rags frequently. If I feel that they are getting dirty, then I will just toss them into a pile on the floor next to the washing machine. I switch out my rags often and I rinse them out often.
And remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater. Nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. When I look at the ocean's
Now that I have gotten all the stainless steel taken care of, I am moving on to the countertops. I'm wiping down all the major appliances and then I'm going to remove everything from the countertop so that I can get all the nooks and crannies. I'm not going to lie, this is not something I do very often, so it does get quite a bit of dust and some food, random food collecting in the corners. So this is a good thing to do every once in a while, and especially good to do for your spring cleaning routine. Also, you'll see a pattern. I am cleaning from top to bottom. I just feel that that's the proper way to clean. That way you're not adding more work onto your plate. If you go from bottom to top, then you have the potential, actually the probability, that you will drop crumbs and dirt onto the surfaces that you've already cleaned. So to me, it just makes sense to clean from top to bottom.
nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. When I look at the ocean's heart.
This is a fruit bowl that I store my fruits and veggies in, and I hadn't looked in it for a very long time, and it was pretty gross from food kind of rotting and sitting there and just leaking their fruity juices. So I gave that a good scrub, and then I put the fruits and veggies that I had right back into that bucket. Lastly, I'm switching out my old soaps and adding my new Mrs. Meyer's spring scent soaps. I love them. I think they're so pretty, and I'm putting them on one of our salad plates just to make it look a little bit more organized and put together. I love how it looks. I love how it turned out. And don't forget, go claim your free Mrs. Meyer's set from Grove Collaborative. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it gave you some awesome spring cleaning motivation. If you did enjoy it, please show me by giving me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. That way you don't miss any of our videos coming up. We love you guys, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.